This is self-assessment guide. Pakibasa ng mabuti para alam nyo yung mga ginagawa nyo. After nyo pala magsagot yan, papalit sa akin. Okay. Tapos na po ba? Thank you, sir. So before we start, I would like to pakilala yung sarili ko. Ako si Badr May S. Palmas. I'm a accredited competency assessor, and gusto ko ipakilala sa inyo ang aming mga representative, which is Ms. Hannah Ibiota, ang ating TESDA processing officer, and Mr. Glenn Arnopia as our AC manager, and lastly, Mr. Gary Ibiota, our TESDA representative from provincial office. So, before tayo pumunta sa ating presentation, gusto ko munang mag-attendance tayo. Hindi po pala ng mga admission slip nyo or yung tinatawag natin mga application. Punta po kayo dito pag tinawag ko yung name nyo. Mr. Benji Saul. Ayan po ba? Okay, ito po yung application form nyo. Okay, thank you. Mr. Lay Dragon. Papirma na din po para sa attendance nyo. Okay, thank you. So, thank you. So, titignan ko po muna kung yung signature nyo dito sa attendance is katulad sa application form. Okay, parehas naman. Thank you. Okay, so, ang ating mga test accessories, hindi na silang pansinin kung bakit sila nandiyan. Nandiyan sila para tignan kung tumutugma ba yung ginagawa nating competency sa procedure and methodology na ginagawa natin. So, itong self-assessment guide nyo is nasa akin. Ito, dito tayo mag-base. Ito makikita kung alam nyo ba at kaya nyo bang i-perform yung mga competency or qualification na i-discuss natin ngayon. So, now, dadako na tayo dito sa ating presentation, which is the qualification of Animation 2D Digital NC3. So, use an authoring tool to create an interactive sequence. So, next, meron tayong floor plan. Ito yung buong kabuuan ng building natin. Meron tayong comfort room, distance learning area, trainers resource area, contextual learning area, entrance exit, learners resource area, fire extinguisher, service support area, practical work area, quality control area, waste disposal, tools and equipment, and especially the assessment area kung saan dito namin i-assess kayo. So next, yung mga tasks to be performed, which is the computer and computer operating system. Next, sa assessment procedure, meron tayong system navigation, demonstration, and oral questioning na magaganap. Next is the candidate's needs. Yung mga needs nyo para dito sa competency natin, which is the module and laptop computers especially. And next is mga do's and don'ts sa ating assessment. Before the assessment, any question or matter you want to clarify will be entertained. Once the assessment has started, please refrain from asking questions. It is no longer allowed. If you have physical difficulties, please call my attention so that we can address it immediately. And next, the rights and appeal system. In case you have questions regarding the assessment result, you have the right to appeal. Just submit your appeal to the TESDA provincial office where the assessment center and the assessor is accredited. And the issuance of national certificate. The national certificate can be claimed at TESDA provincial office within 3 to 5 working days after assessment. Just bring a passport size picture with white background and also 100 pesos for processing fee. Pwede din siya makuha into online kasi meron na po tayong digital website. And next, reassessment procedure. Meron tayong full qualification and COC. And And the occupational safety, syempre kailangan natin to para sa safety and health natin. Make sure to check the tools, materials, and equipment before using it. Observe safety as you perform different tasks. Please call my attention in case of accident. If you need some medicine, you can get it on our medicine cabinet located at the corner in this room. It's strictly confidentiality. So, ayan po. Thank you. And ayun po yung ating mga presentation na dapat natin at hindi na dapat natin gawin. So, anyone, may mga question and clarification po kayo? Baka po need nyo ng translation, like mag-focus tayo sa Tagalog, or kung prefer nyo naman po yung English, okay lang po. Meron po ba? So, sa tingin ko, wala naman. So, meron tayo dito, ibibigay ko po yung CAAS natin, yung competency accredited assessment. Page. Okay. Pakibasa po siya ng mabuti. Sagutan po yung question ng mas mabuti po para malaman po natin. If you need assistance po, I will be more than willing to assist you kung may mga katanungan po kayo about dyan. If wala naman po, go lang po. Okay na po ba? So, okay na po tayo. And dahil okay na po kayo, pupunta na po tayo sa ating assessment area, which is dun po kayo, dun niyo po i-perform yung mga kailangan niyo pong i-perform na qualification. So, tara po. Tatawagin ko nga po pala yung mga candidate na una pong perform, okay? So, kindly, pumunta po dito si Mr. Candidate number 1. Try niyo po perform dyan. Okay, thank you for performing. Kindly go back to your seat, and I will call the candidate number 2. So kindly please perform. Okay, thank you for performing. Please go back to your seat. So, we're done in our performing. Pupunta na tayo, dadako na po tayo sa ating questioning. So, based sa assessment natin, naka-indicate yung questioning natin doon. So, tatawagin ko po kayo ulit para po sa oral questioning natin, okay? Aware naman po kayo dun, di ba? Okay. I will call you po by your candidate's number po. May I call candidate number 1? Please kindly sit. So, in your performance, is it important to check system properties on laptop computer?
Yes.
You go in laptop device to check if the device properly recognized by the computer laptop.
Yes.
Is it safe to handle computer laptop with wet hands?
No.
Does regular maintenance and cleaning the internals of laptop help improving its performance?
Yes.
What will you do if a computer laptop short circuits during work? What will you do if an electrical fire happens during work hours? Okay, you're already done. Please go back to your seat and I will call the next candidates. So please, candidate number 2, come in. Are you ready for the oral questions?
Yes.
Okay. Is it important to check system properties of the laptop or computer?
No.
Where do you go in a laptop device to check if a device is properly recognized by the laptop or computer?
No.
Is it safe to handle a computer laptop with wet hands?
Yes.
Does regular maintenance and cleaning the internals of laptop computer help improving its performance?
No.
What will you do if your computer laptop short circuits during work?
Let my friend fix it.
What will you do if an electrical fire happens during work hours? So you're done in your oral question. Please go back to your seat and I will call you later on for your rating.
Okay.
So I want to congratulate you all for your performance and your oral question. So now, dadako na po tayo sa ating rating kung kayo po ay pasado or hindi. So, pumunta lang po kayo ulit sa ating private room para po bibigay ko sa inyo po yung inyong where is it? At itong ating results ng inyong performance and oral question. And hopefully, sana ay parehas kayo nakapasa. And sa hindi naman is, we can assist you next time or pwede kayo mag-reassessment naman. Our qualification is open naman palagi. So, I will call you na lang ulit po for your results. So, may I call candidate number 1? This is your result, your rating sheet. You performed the task within the standards. So you can get your national certificate in the provincial office at the date of next week, and you can get it from from the focal person, okay? I will congratulate you. Thank you for performing. Thank you. May I call the candidate number 2? Here's your rating slip. So, sa nakita ko, nag-perform ka naman ng mabuti. Nakita ko naman yung mga ginawa mo ditong performance and you perform well. But, hindi mo nakamit yung pinaka-standards ng qualification natin. But, we assure you na pwede ka namang mag-reassessment from after 30 days. And pwede mo yung ulitin sa kung saan ka lang namang bumagsak na natin.
Yes.
Okay? I will congratulate pa rin naman. Thank you for performing. Nice to see you and sana magkita pa tayo next. Okay, thank you po. So, thank you for you all and to na-attend kayo sa ating assessment. And that's all. Thank you.